Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to change your Instagram bio. Whether you're looking to refresh your personal brand or simply want to add a bit of flair to your profile, updating your bio is a great place to start. It's your chance to make a fantastic first impression. So let's dive right in. First things first, open the Instagram app on your smartphone. You'll be greeted by your feed filled with posts from friends and accounts you follow. Now, look for your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. It usually features your profile picture or a generic avatar if you haven't uploaded one yet. Go ahead and tap on it to access your profile. Once you're on your profile page, you'll see several options. Look for the Edit Profile button and click on it. This will take you to a new screen where you can update various aspects of your profile, including your name, username, website link, and of course, your bio. Now, let's focus on the bio section. You'll see a field labeled Bio. Click on it to open the text editor. Here's where the fun begins. You have up to 150 characters to describe yourself. So think about what you want to convey. Whether it's a catchy quote, your profession, or a list of hobbies, make sure it represents you well. Feel free to use emojis to add some personality and flair. After making your edits, take a moment to review what you've written. Make sure it's clear and engaging. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, look for the Done button in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your Instagram bio. Now, when people visit your profile, they'll see the fresh new version that truly captures who you are. Remember, your bio can be updated anytime, so don't hesitate to change it as your interests or circumstances evolve. Keeping it current is key to making meaningful connections on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you create an amazing bio that stands out.